Hello Internet! Welcome to another PoolDash developer update. My name is John. I used to be a lifeguard, but now I am a software engineer. And so on nights and weekends, I actually work on an app for swimming pool owners, and that is PoolDash. This is my son Miller. His mom is working today, so he will join us. Okay, so we just released version 1.1 into the App Store. It has a few new features that I'm super excited about. Data export, a new wall type, and a slightly better pool editing creation screen. So for the CSV Export, thanks again to the Gilat for recommending this. We finally shipped it. Basically, if you, on the settings screen, choose to export a CSV, it will do it for all of your pools at once in one spreadsheet. And if you do it from the pool detail screen right below your history, it'll export the stuff just for that pool. There's no date range selectors on this, so I might need to add those in the future. It just does your entire pool's history. And then there's no alternate format. So in the future, I might add PDF, which could be easier for the health inspector, or I might add JSON, which might be more friendly if you're importing that into another application. All right, Miller likes it too. So for the wall types, added a new tile wall type. Apparently it's popular in the Philippines. Thank you at Sir James in the forum for recommending it. What's new about this? I think that I need to, in the future, make it more apparent how these wall types inform the target levels for the different readings. And by more apparent, I mean I might actually just have to build that functionality, because right now it's not apparent because a lot of it doesn't exist. Whoops. Let's see. For the pool edit screen, it's a little bit less annoying now. So this one just bothered me, so I updated it, especially after watching a few of my friends use this app. So when you're either editing an existing pool or creating a new one, I cleaned up a lot of the spacing here. I no longer show the keyboard by default, and I made these hit targets bigger, so it's easier to actually click on a text field. It'll actually scroll so that the content comes all the way above the keyboard, and this is just a save button and not a dismiss button when then save is a separate action. So anyways, that's just a little bit less annoying. Hopefully you like it. Coming up next, I think I need to simplify the recipe stuff a little bit. So there's two things. One, as I was discussing in the forum with a user called Dantman, who, by the way, thank you for suffering through that conversation with me, it became apparent that he wanted to edit the target levels for his spa, and he did not want to create an entirely new recipe for it, because the recipes are too complicated, and it's also not even apparent what the target levels are for each recipe. And so I think I need to make it possible to configure target levels without making a whole new recipe. And then for the recipe editor itself, I have some screenshots below. I'm trying to do something that's way too much work, and I'm not doing a very good job, where it's some hybrid between writing code and moving sliders and entering text fields. And I think I'm just going to lean into the code. It is what it is. I think it's going to be simpler for everyone. So stay tuned there. For financial updates, I'm actually super excited. We had 4 more new paying users, so now we're up to 19 paying subscribers. I still have a full-time job, but I still love doing this, because I love hearing from you all. The internet's magical. I love that people all over the world use my software. Please, if you use it, tell me what you think in the forum. That's my favorite part. All right. Now, my son Miller says, Happy Thanksgiving, and if you're outside of the US, Happy Week of Gratitude, because everyone can be grateful. Bye!